Hello, and welcome back to the Quick Learn series on building your website with Portfoliobox. Today, we're focusing on an essential feature, creating a contact form. Let's dive in. There are several ways to add a contact form to your website using Portfoliobox. Let's start by creating a dedicated contact page. Begin by clicking on Create in the top menu and select Contact. You'll see a variety of templates. Pick one that fits your style. Once you've selected a template, submit a title for your page and click Create Page to confirm. Now, you have a standalone contact page ready to use. If you'd prefer to add a contact form to an existing page, that's just as simple. Navigate to the bottom of the section and click on Add New Section. From the section options, choose Contact. After selecting a template you like, the contact form section will be added to your page. Now, you can customize it to suit your needs. Another option is to add a form element to a specific part of an existing section. To do this, right-click on an element and, in the context menu, click on Add Element below. Then, select Form from the options and click on Contact Form. And just like that, your form is in place. You might want to add new fields or edit existing ones. Right-click on your form to bring up the context menu, then click on Change Content. For this example, we'll make the first two fields mandatory, ensuring our visitors fill them out before submitting the form. Next, let's add a new field. We'll add a checkbox so visitors can opt to subscribe to our newsletter. Click Add New Field. Label it something like Subscribe to Newsletter. Select Checkbox from the options, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos where we continue to explore the features of Portfoliobox to help you build a fantastic website. Happy site building!